How are you?
Nazir.
Not correct. I said, how are you?
Nazir.
How are you? Yes. How are you is I'm fine. How are you? I'm fine. How old are you? Yes, 9. How old? 9. How are you? I'm fine. Okay? I'm 5 years old. I'm fine only. I'm fine. I'm good. I'm happy. Okay? How many people are there in your family? How many people? There are
There are 6 people.
6 people. Can you tell me who are they? Mom, father.
Father, baby, brother, and me.
Ah, okay, a lot. Okay, are you ready for the speaking test?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, look at this picture. Can you tell me which place is this or what place is this? This is a
It is a picture.
yes, picture of what? Bedroom, kitchen. This is a bedroom or kitchen? No.
It is a living room.
Yes, living room. What can you see in the living room? I can see.
I can see the tray, the wood, the oil,
Mhm.
the sofa,
Yes.
the table,
Yes.
the chairs, the people,
Uh-huh.
the baby,
Yes.
the TV,
Yes. And
the
window. Very good. Where is the window?
window
Yes.
is window between
Between
the picture and lamp.
Yes, very good. What is this?
It is
TV.
TV.
Where is the TV? TV is
TV is
next to
the
bookshelf.
bookshelves.
What is this?
It is toy.
No, this one.
It is table.
This, not D-E. This.
This is a table.
Yeah, not D-E, okay? This is a table. Where is the table? Table is
Table is
in, on, under, in front. Next.
table is behind.
No, it's not
in
behind.
front of
Yes. The
sofa.
very good. What's this?
This is
This
this
is
is a tray.
chair. How many chairs do you see? How many?
It is
How many chairs? About you, how many?
one tray.
Yeah, remember how many, okay? 1. Next, what's this?
This is a door.
Where is the chair? The chair is
The chair is next to
the
the tray.
next to the chair is next to the
Door.
what's this? Rug.
Rug.
Rug. Rug. Yes, rug. Very good. Now, how many trucks do you see? How many?
Truck.
2 or 3?
Two.
What are the colors?
Is red and blue.
Where are they? Where are the trucks?
It
Trucks?
truck is the next to the TV.
Okay. Now let's move on to the next part. Okay, this is the next part, and I'm going to show you the small pictures. What's this?
This is
D-E again.
This is
Not D-E. This. Basket.
basketball.
Put the basketball under the chair. Under the chair. Next, what is this?
This is an elephant.
This is an elephant. Put the elephant next to the baby. Okay, thank you. Next, what is this?
in the
This
this is
an eraser.
eraser.
Put the eraser between the picture and the lamp. Between picture and the lamp. Between picture and the lamp. Okay, very good. Next, what about this? What's this?
This is a
Egg.
egg.
Put the egg on the table. On the table. Okay. Next, look. Eraser.
Eraser is between the picture and lamp. Egg in under
Egg is on. Egg is on.
on the table.
Okay. Next.
Not to the baby.
Okay.
Basketball on the tray. Tray on
Basketball.
on